Hello friends, in today's class we are going to see example of DAG, that is Directed Acyclic Graph. Welcome again, and now this is the second example of a directed acyclic graph. Okay, so this is another example of directed acyclic graph. The only thing I want to mention here that there is one more time there is a bracket, so otherwise that will be not balanced. Fine, so we have only two expression over here, that one is your x plus y, another is x minus y. And let's draw this expression as first as x plus y. So this is your x and this is your y. Okay, and this is one expression, and another expression is minus of x and y. Okay, so here we are having a multiplication between this part I'm talking about, a multiplication between x plus y, x minus y. So I'll write a multiplication sign and I'll put x plus y and x minus y, and then finally there is a minus. Okay, there is a minus among this x plus y, so this node will come from this particular place. Okay, now here if you look at here that we have a plus, there is a multiplication between again x plus y. Actually, if you can say that this entire x plus y and x minus y is common, here also this is x plus y multiplied by x minus y, is this entire part is common over here. See, you can see here. So now this is the final result, and that needed to be plus with what value? With the entire value of x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So the same value will come from here and this way. Okay, so that way you can see here that this is a DAG representation, DAG for given expression. So what is common here is this x plus y we have declared only once, x minus y we have declared only once, and x plus y multiplication x minus y is only declared only once. Okay, so this is the another example we can say for that. Thank you.